Hi, Evan.
Hello.
What's up today?
Well, I was downstairs in my room.
You're playing with your meat.
Yeah, so, I was playing with my joysticks.
Yes.
Actually,
So I was knocking on the door, like, hello. I'm like, what? And, you know, so his mom did a surprise birthday party with all of us here. That's Jared.
yeah.
Ellie. Hi. So I think,
Yes.
what's happening today besides the party? Evan doesn't care about the party.
Well, I wanted to
True.
drive my new car, but it's been kind of iffy in terms of the weather.
Well, the roads are dry, so we should go get those mirrors out. Evan's got his car done and pretty much on the ground. I think it's ready to go. Whoa.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Wow.
Very tired. They're the same ones that I had in the front.
Well, that fancy thing. They stopped making those a few years ago, didn't they? The
No,
carbons?
they still make them.
Oh, I thought they stopped making them.
They're just backward. Expensive piece.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, I
Yeah.
haven't seen it with the interior yet.
That seat is not fun to put in.
I can't imagine. We gotta get you some carbon things. Oh, we're gonna wait till I get set up a pre-preg and we'll make our own carbon. It's way easier to do with pre-preg. Oh, you got some? Get them on before you beat it up too bad.
Yeah, well, I don't have them yet.
Dude, we're gonna make a carbon fiber long right in.
That is nice.
That was a lot of work.
I bet. I bet.
Yep, here she is. This your friend?
Splitter looks good.
So why is it clamped?
Because when they loaded on the trailer, they grabbed a pry bar and pried on it and kind of split the front edge a little bit.
Oh.
So
This is done.
the tape should peel right off. So it doesn't peel it off. Let's see what it looks like.
I don't know.
It shouldn't stick to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. How's the top side look?
Top side's fine.
Funky.
Yeah, it looks good. Still all dirty from the track.
Yeah, I didn't clean it.
You ready?
Yeah, I gotta tighten my shifter down.
Got check your nut.
I should have wore the shirt.
I know it.
Do you still not have one?
I don't have one.
How do you guys not have one?
Eric had a bunch of shirts, like Evan's face is check your nuts. We built 2.0, just a fun shirt. I never got any.
Wait, Eric has them or John has them?
Eric made them, but I think John has them.
Oh.
Should have brought my laptop. We could have done some tuning. Oh.
Yeah, how do you like getting into your own cage, sir?
Well, see, I'm used to it on the driver's side, which I'm not on. So that is not adjusted, even close.
I was about to say, I don't think anyone's been in it, have they?
No, I don't think so. This is the age-old thing. You get strapped in.
Yep, you've got a...
Literally can't reach.
Going on.
Yeah, I saw it when you got it. First got it, but
Oh, that's nice.
Whoa, it's first startup for me anyway. I'm kind of excited. Sounds like the old one.
Except it's louder.
A little bit. There's no muffler. We get to rebuild that tomorrow. So, we'll see how this drive goes. And then I get to pull up the video.
Then you get to what?
Pull up the video.
Oh, yeah.
You still haven't seen it?
Oh, I don't want to pull it up today.
Come on.
Not until the car's gone.
Oh, until the car's gone?
Yeah.
All right. Well, then we'll do that first. First drive. We'll be right back.
okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's actually not a bad idea.
All right. as you check.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a bit hard to get used to.
Okay, time to party now.
And
How's it feel?
it's loud as shit.
Okay, but how's it feel?
The alignment feels
Yeah, it's
really
off.
good.
Oh,
No.
it's pulling, but it might be the wet.
Yeah. I don't have a dead foot pedal,
Okay.
but I kind of need one. It just feels weird.
Rice.
No, but this is my first time doing a vacuumless brake system.
Oh, okay.
So that's
Yeah,
new to me. It's a lot.
It's easier. You just, if you want to brake, you just stop.
I'm just used to not having to use the pedal a lot.
Yeah, you definitely need to use it.
Day 2.
Yeah, Evan's car on the left, and he needs exhaust redone because his other exhaust is beat. Where'd it go? It's all beat up from the wreck, so instead of patching something together, we're gonna try to do a real exhaust. So then, boom. Aluminum exhaust. Well, the axle back, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, I didn't want to waste a bunch of time cobbling something together that Evan was just going to have me redo in 3 months. So, I'm cobbling together an aluminum exhaust to, I think it'll be fine because it's pretty far back as far as heat-wise and all that. I know it's going to get warm, but the cool thing is literally just tacked together. And you got this flimsy little hanger that they use for the factory, and there's no support there, but there's also no weight here, so that'll be exciting. So I'm gonna pull this off and weld it up, and then we just gotta add exhaust hangers. All right, so while we were debating on what to do with Evan's exhaust, we did some carbon. Enviate fans will probably recognize that piece. And then the noise over here. Oh, that piece. So that's the nose cone. What do you think?
It's amazing. I absolutely love it. It's a lot better than my old one. It's all bent and banged up. So yeah.
Oh, we forgot to, I don't want to take it back off, but we weighed it and it was 3 pounds, 2 ounces.
Yeah. The old one was 8 pounds, so save 5 pounds.
No. So let's do a startup.
Works for me.
Send it. It's throaty. How's the sound in here? Like a Honda.
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright, I guess we're gonna go for a drive next. It's quiet out here.
Huh?
It's quiet out here.
Yeah. I gotta grab my registration out of my truck.
Have fun.
Oh yeah.
Sounds pretty good. A little raspy, but that might break in with time. Sounds pretty good. It's deep. Let's go see what he thinks. Hank, how's it sound in the car? Is it quiet?
I don't know, it has like a raspiness to it. I think it's just because of the material properties.
Smaller muffler maybe.
That could be. That's more of like a resonator. I guess my old one is more of a resonator
Yeah.
too, but I guess just different, you know, you have different materials.
Uh-huh.
You just have different, you know, sounds that.
It's really deep outside the car.
Yeah.
No. So
No, but it's definitely quiet.
quieter.
It's definitely quiet.
Good. Sweet.
It actually sounds a lot more throatier.
Yeah, it does.
too.
You can feel it driving by. So
Sweet.
cool. All right, so what's next?
I'm actually going to GRIDLIFE.
Ooh, that's
So-
next weekend.
Yeah, so I'm probably going to be leaving like Thursday afternoon.
Nice.
And then go down there Friday and Saturday, just do HPD, just want to do a shakedown.
Cool.
But other than that,
What about work on the car? What's next?
I gotta fit the splitter. I gotta make sure that the front fenders are actually going to clear those tires.
You might want to just temporarily dump the thing, like mega dump. And then,
That or throw like another half degree of camber.
yeah. Well, you could jack it up and set it on like, you know, 6 2x4s or something to get the corner way up and then turn it.
Yeah.
That's what I would do.
Then I gotta fit the wing.
Which we'll probably do later, and then at that point, do some sort of corner scale.
Yep.
Okay. So,
I gotta figure out the bumper fitment too, because that intake filter is hitting the outside of the bumper.
all right. Well, cool. So, that's your first like drive with everything on.
Yeah. Yeah, with the front bumper on.
And an exhaust.
Yes, and the exhaust too.
So, nothing fell off.
No, no. Feels great.
Good.
It's really good.
All right, well, I'm probably gonna go down and support Evan maybe Saturday. We'll see. I gotta check my schedule, but so we'll check in then.
Cool. Thank you, Cody.
Yes.